In this video, we discussed the 5 tips to selling a home in 2022. All that and way more. Stay tuned. Also, be sure you uplift at least one person today. And we are starting right now. Hey YouTube, what's going on today? Well, this is certainly not your dad's real estate market. The steps to selling your home and receiving top dollar have changed quite a bit over the years. Here in Milford and the Worcester County area, I've seen it all, and you can't sell a home today as you would have years ago. If you're planning to sell in the spring or the near future, take advantage of my and the brokerage's several decades of experience with these top 5 tips for selling a home in 2022. We have helped so many families, businesses, and individuals over the years, and we would love the opportunity to help you too. Sure, selling a home in this seller's market in 2022, it's not that hard to do. However, receiving top dollar on your property and selling your home in an anticipated time frame does necessitate the need for modern marketing and proven listing systems that we will cover in this video. Alright then, so what are they? Number 1, educate yourself on the steps needed to sell your home. Now, you don't need to be a scholar of real estate. However, you do want to generate and receive the most money for your property or your home. You need to hire the right listing agent. And in order to hire that right listing agent or team for the job, you need to ask critical, thought-provoking questions about the selling process. When you're seeking an agent to sell your home, the goal, after all, in this market is to deliver multiple buyers. This in turn leads to multiple offers, and in turn, those offers to a bidding war, which will then drive the sales price of your home up, up, up. The best way to educate yourself on the process is to do homework. Read articles, study several YouTube videos just like this one, and blogs written by real estate experts and successful leaders in the field. Not only do you need an agent that can negotiate, look after your best interest, and evoke trust, you need an individual or team to dominate the field in the digital marketing arena. So I'll ask you, where does the home search process always begin? Either on a phone or a computer, starting with a search browser. Now, with this search browser, let's use Google because we love Google, right YouTube? You can use this tool to justify the agent's reach in the digital field. Simply perform a search for that individual. Are they omnipresent? Are they able to market your home based on your search onto several hundred social media platforms and websites to get more buyers' eyeballs on your property? After all, you do want your home sold fast and for top dollar, right? Coincidentally, those two features go hand in hand when we are able to price your home effectively based on what the market is telling us and have a predictable timeline to sell your property. We're able to determine what price range will create the most amount of buzz in this seller's market to attract as many buyers as possible to drive that sales price up. And if you're curious about my buyer's advice that you buyers out there really need to hear, especially in this market, you can check out that video by clicking up here on the card and leave a comment below if you like the content, or maybe let me know what you want to see next. Top tip number 2 for sellers: seek out what other people are saying about the agent you're thinking about choosing. Do they have Google reviews? And what are those past clients saying about that agent? Through the words posted, you can understand if that person helped them deeply and determine the magnitude of value that their service provided to their client. There are websites that you can purchase reviews for your business, but reviews on Google or Google My Business is not one of them. It is important to find an agent that will list your home, but more importantly, tell you what you need to hear about the market, not what you want to hear. There's a huge difference between the two. One is giving you honest, real feedback and certainly will have your best interests in mind. The other just wants a commission check. Read those reviews thoroughly, especially when you have hundreds and thousands of dollars on the line. Hey, what's going on? My name is Vasilios and welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here and you want to get the latest actionable tips from a local realtor that actually save you time, save you money, and result in a smooth real estate deal, start now by subscribing, clicking that bell notification so you don't miss anything. And if you like the video, then like the video. Now, back to it. Number 3, make a checklist after you do your research on the home selling process and highlight the topics that are most important to you and that you connect with the most deeply. During the interview, question the agent to drill down those topics and how the agent answers those questions to see if they match your values and goals and your why. Number 4, choose an agent with a strong pre-marketing plan. Once you are confident this agent is able to list your home, find out what kind of budget is allotted when marketing your home. before it's listed and after it's live. Discover the unique techniques that agent is willing to do to get your property sold. It may be door knocking neighbors on your behalf. It may be sending coming soon mailers. It might be creating a pre-listing walkthrough tour of the property and sharing a video on social media to all the other agents in the listing agents database. It might even be running an ad with that specific virtual walkthrough. A pre-marketing campaign is essential to receiving the most money possible on your property. Yes, I'm sure your property will sell with just about any agent that's able to post it on MLS. However, you still need to ensure for yourself and the members of your household, pets included, that agent you choose is able to show the home to the largest possible pool of buyers and is able to create a pre-marketing buzz to generate multiple offers and will create several above list price offers. An important part of this plan is letting buyers who are viewing your property understand that this listing will certainly be a guaranteed multiple offer situation. This is important for several reasons. A, the buyers will put forth their strongest offer possible up front, and B, if you choose to accept an offer with an inspection contingency, they are less willing to renegotiate on price knowing that there were several other offers on the table. Every market is a proponent of supply and demand. Lack of supply will increase demand, which creates more competition. More competition leads to higher and higher offers. Back to pre-marketing. 99% of agents don't spend any money on pre-marketing. Yeah, they'll certainly get the property sold, but that initial exposure through social media, networking, and ads makes all the difference in the world to our clients in order to receive top dollar in selling their properties faster than the market averages. Number 5. When speaking with an agent, make them prove their value. Is that agent able to show you their detailed marketing plan? The number of contacts on their list? Are they able to show you the long-term social media engagement that is crucial for the pre-listing process? Check that agent's activity and posting schedule on their social media accounts, pages, blogs, and of course YouTube. Don't you want someone that can dominate the pre-listing market, that can speak to the market and the analytics of their Facebook, Instagram, and Google reach? Aren't those the tens of thousands of potential buyers you want viewing your home before it actually hits the market? At the end of the day, you deserve what's best for you and your home. We are dedicated to go above and beyond the norm to have our clients receive more money for their property and help them achieve their goals of selling their current residence and buying their forever home. Hey guys, if there is anything in the world that you want to talk about or have a question, reach out anytime. Let me treat you to coffee. No obligation, really. 508-821-8835. It could be about the weather, cars, real estate, racing, whatever. Now, if you like this video, check out these at the top of your screen. And if you need a realtor like me, I have a realtor like me's info in the description below. And if you think this video can help out a friend or family member, please consider sharing. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.